In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A05s, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. And click on all of your photos that you wish to add. If your photos are not recent, select folders at the top and look for them over here. Then click on the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!